think my favorite thing about the electrical engineering program is that every semester I can slowly feel myself understanding how the world works. And honestly, there was times I thought I needed to drop out because maybe I'm not good enough for it, but just slowly getting into that pattern of like, okay, I've learned this thing and now that kind of makes sense now why that works. I'm most proud of just how I can handle difficulties and not only handle those, but excel when they come. For me, UWM helped me stay on track. All these successes started to come my way. I've been able to secure multiple internships just through career fairs and the career services here on campus. Through these opportunities, I was able to get a job at GE Healthcare. You can't succeed on your own. It takes a village, and that's what I did here. I utilized my resources. I talked to people and I got their expert opinions to help me become not only a well-rounded person, but like a professional. And now I feel ready to leave here knowing that I can do whatever I need.